episode of ZenTalks where we decode Zoho Books one question at a time. I'm Deepthi and today we are diving into a topic that usually makes business owners sweat: accounting software.
Right. And it's one of the things everyone hates moving, but usually that one thing that's holding them back the most.
Exactly. We are even often asked why someone should leave the big names they have used for years like QuickBooks, Tally or any other software.
Correct.
So today Vijay and I are breaking down the 7 biggest reasons why switching to Zoho Books is a total game changer for your accounting workflow. So Vijay, let's start with a big one. Integrations. We talk about Zoho ecosystem all the time, but how does it actually feel for a business owner?
Got it. So it feels like peace of mind, Deepthi. Like most accounting tools are islands. Like you don't have to use third-party connectors just to get your sales data in. With Zoho Books, you have a native connection with your Zoho CRM, your inventory, your expenses, all are tracking to each other in real time. And no more import and export nightmares every Friday night.
Okay, that sounds good. So the reason number 2 is reporting. I think people get overwhelmed by spreadsheets. So how does Zoho Books help with reporting part?
So it's about visibility. So you get a complete standard profit and loss, but you can also see the comparative data over month and month. And for those who want to go in deep, it plugs directly with the Zoho Analytics for complete reporting. Okay. So you can build a dashboard that shows your marketing spend right next to your actual revenue. So it's not about just bookkeeping, it's business intelligence.
Okay, so moving to the next one, I think it's time we talk about the elephant in the room, pricing.
Yes, always. So look, Zoho is hard to beat here. So they have their tiers of every level, including their free version for those who are just starting out. But for the listeners already on Zoho One, so the books is included. So meaning you're essentially getting the world-class accounting platform for zero extra cost because it's already in your Zoho One bundle.
Okay, so then comes customers and vendor portals. So this one is a personal favorite because it helps with professional image as well.
Yes, that's right. So this is huge transparency. So instead of a client emailing you and asking like, did I pay this invoice? They have their own login, which is customer portal. So they can see their history, download their statements and pay right there. It saves your admin team has to ask for the back and forth what they do and makes it look like much larger operation than you might actually be like.
Okay, so let's get into our day-to-day bank speed. Vijay, I know a lot of people think I can just upload a CSV at the end of the month. So why does this live feed is much more better than that?
So nobody wants to manually enter bank statements anymore, right?
Of course.
So Zoho connects the thousands of banks globally. It fetches your transaction automatically to Zoho Books. So you just have to do the match the items.
Okay.
So even if you are a smaller local bank, Zoho is known for adding those connections if you request them. So it keeps your books live instead of 3 weeks of behind.
So we are a marketing and automation agency. So we definitely can't skip the automation part.
Correct, that's right. So this is where it gets fun and beyond just rules for your coffee expenses, Books has an open API. So you can write custom scripts and if you want an automatic Slack notification when a high value invoice is paid or a custom follow-up email if the bill is there for 3 days delay.
Okay.
And you can also build that here. So it makes the software work for you and not against you.
Okay, that sounds great. So finally, the 7th reason, constant improvement. This is something we come across the entire Zoho's ecosystem, but it feels especially fast-paced in the financial suite.
It is real. So Zoho operates on the Kaizen's philosophy, continuous, incremental and improvement. So most legacy software companies release one big update a year that is usually breaking everything. So Zoho does the opposite. They're pushing out tweaks, new features and local tax compliance updates almost every single month.
I do notice that you'll just log in and say a little what's new gift box icon and suddenly there is a new report or a smoother way to handle multi-currency.
Exactly. And they actually listen to the user community. So if you're a user of Zoho group and the people are asking for a specific field and a new gateway integration, you often see it reflected in the product roadmap. So you're not just buying a tool or for what it does today. So you're investing in a platform that grows alongside your business.
Okay, it's the agility that makes difference when the market changes.
100%. It's about being future proof.
Okay. So there you have it, guys. 7 reasons to stop settling for good enough and start using a tool that actually connects your business. And Vijay, thank you so much for the insights.
Thank you, Deepthi. Anytime.
Okay, so thank you for tuning into ZenTalks. We'll catch you in the next episode.
See you.